Hey guys, welcome back. So today I wanted to show you how the way that you apply your mascara can completely change your eye shape. Let's just do it. So today I'm going to be using a waterproof mascara. I use waterproof mascaras because I have very straight, limp lashes. They will not hold a curl with a regular mascara. Trust me, I've tried everything. Waterproof mascara sets. It's kind of like using hairspray for your hair. And it just helps to hold that curl or lift or whatever you're going for. Today I'm going to be using a drugstore mascara, which is fantastic. This is the CoverGirl Lash Blast Mascara, waterproof. It has a pretty thick wand. So if you hate a thick wand, like this, you know what I mean? It's so black, I love it, I think it's great. If you hate a thick wand, another really great option is the Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara, which is a little bit more like doable. I just have brown black and I don't feel like using brown black today. But this is a great formula. So first thing that I'm gonna do is curl my lashes with my Velour Lash Curler. So the way that I curl my lashes is starting at the base. It's gonna look gross, I'm just warning you, okay? I start at the base, I do gentle pulsing while I pull up gently to curl up the base of my lash. I don't know why I'm not zooming you in more. So what I'm gonna do is start like straight on, and then as I go, I'm gonna kind of like pull it out to the side. You see how I did that? I kind of went like at an angle. And I usually do it like, I don't know, a few more times. All right, now I'm going to apply my mascara. So what I'm going to do for this side is I'm going to start at the base and I'm going to pull it to the side. So I'm going to load up the base of the lash and then pull it to the side. And I'm not going to apply my mascara in the inner corner. I'm gonna focus it on the outside. So as I'm applying it, I'm pulling my lashes to the side to give them a little bit more of an angle. Dude, I always get mascara everywhere every time I apply it. Just wait for it to dry and then you can like buff it away. While I wait for that to dry before I buff it away, I'm going to apply in a similar manner on my lower lash line. So again, focusing it on like the outer lashes and angling them. Okay, can you kind of see how everything is going this way? Now, for this side, I'm gonna focus my curling right in the center. Sorry, this really grosses some people out, but it's just the best way to curl my lashes. So from base all the way up to the tip, right in a line. So I'm getting them all pretty even. Now I'm gonna use the same mascara, but I'm gonna go straight up. So kind of the same thing, focusing at the bottom. I'm gonna line all my lashes, coat all my lashes from the inner all the way to the outer corner. And I'm just gonna push them upward. And then for my lower lash line, I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm just going to coat from the outer to the inner corner evenly. All right, guys, that's it. Can you see the difference? What do you think? I think it's just something that's like so subtle that can make like a really big difference. Like this kind of like creates, it's obviously it makes my lashes look more full because we're defining more of them, but it kind of like accentuates the roundness of my eye and also kind of makes it look like a little bit more wide in my opinion, you know, like maybe slightly more defined. Whereas this side is kind of like if we don't look at that, it's kind of just like a little bit more like subtle. It's a little bit more angled. It gives like a tiny bit of like a lift to the eye. I don't know, in my opinion. It reminds me of like Kendall Jenner, whereas this side is like Lucy Boynton. Does that make any sense? Yeah, I don't know. It's just like a little subtle thing that makes a difference in my opinion, and I wanted to share that with you. I had a friend in high school who would always apply her mascara like this, and I had never really thought about it until I like really noticed how she did it, and I just kind of fell in love with it. So I've been wearing my mascara like that a lot recently, especially when I do more natural looks. Let me know if it makes any difference to you, which one you prefer, what do you think looks best, what do you do? Huh. If you've never thought about it before, let me know your thoughts. And yeah, I hope you learned something. I don't know. I'm gonna go. Bye.